Black kid, fucking white girl, sipping on life and it feels alright, girl. White kids bumping this shit, feeling all black like this is our world. Fucking awesome, pretty good boy, educated like a thief in a hood boy. No keystone, got the password, they be yelling hell. Fucking adverbs, levitate up to the top until you drop. And if elevator fails, you gotta hustle till it stops. Fucking awesome, pretty good boy, educated like a thief in a hood boy. Ever wonder why the thunder never stops? Got the sky yelling sunny and the world on lock. Girl, don't talk, if it works, don't stop. Make it hurt a lot. You a freaking we know it, I heard a lot. Tryna act all funny, you ain't heard of us, but you chillin' at the show looking nervous, thinking of some ways you could probably work to earn this. Fixing your hair in the mirror in the bathroom, getting your fix on the mirror in the last room. Mix girl, ready for the mix girl, looking for the whole team, shots for the rich girl. Okay.
It's getting harder to have the way that I feel. They say this was meant for us, just tonight a part of the deal. We were kids without ambition, now it's all alright. Keep this playing in your system, let it run all night.
Yeah. Should probably be in LA, working at the bar, little something in a cup, throwing money in a jar. Hope it all works out. I do. You hate this city, that's cool. I'll probably be in Frisco, party in the Bay. If you ever need a moment, you can holler my way. Yo, girl, don't worry about the buzz, don't worry about the drug. Focus on the rush. Yeah, if we ever get to Hollywood, let it all out. Show them why you got it. Yeah, you got it, no doubt. It's all about the power. Power's alright. Even when it stops, we can party all night.
It's getting harder to have the way that I feel. They say this was meant for us, just tonight a part of the deal. We were kids without ambition, now it's all wrong.